My name's Rob Lanke. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer here at GB Bank. You could very much say we're a bank with a mission and a purpose. And our mission is to ensure that we provide much needed finance across the regions of the UK where it's needed most to help support the development of communities and property investment and the refurbishments of properties in areas that struggle with access to finance. We're doing that through the provision of a number of lending solutions. These lending solutions are both short-term lending solutions and long-term, and we're particularly targeting SME developers and investors.
My name's Christian Marley. I'm the Head of Service Delivery at GB Bank. In terms of objectives for building the technology foundations for GB Bank, we had a couple of things that we really need to focus on. First being the avoidance of technical debt as we move forward, avoiding vendor lock-in, and trying to remain as flexible as possible to changing technology trends and to be able to meet the demands of our business in an agile fashion. We were able to devise this concept of utilising composable architecture and looking with a view to therefore take on board AWS as our cloud platform provider, combine that with the ability to use native cloud software as a service offerings within the fintech space, APIs, combine all areas together to generate our core business ecosystem. Where we needed additional support and assistance was how to create this into reality. This is where we looked to leverage the breadth of capability within Persistent to partner with ourselves to turn that blueprint into reality and help us throughout our journey to actually becoming a bank. So the benefits that GB Bank sought to gain from composable architecture is the ability to reduce our overall technical cost. Examples of which are the likes of Mambu, our core banking system, which is fundamentally built on a composable architecture also. Combine that for our savings side of the business with OutSystems, which is a low-code application development platform that we were able to generate our deposits customer platform on. So how's this ecosystem and the use of composable architecture working in practice for GB Bank? Well, it's certainly reducing our level of cost, and in addition to that, it's speeding up our ability to deploy changes within the business.
And this architecture that we have set up as it is very important to GB Bank because it gives us the versatility and adaptability to be flexible in a very changing market. We started in October last year just with one of these solutions for customers, property development finance, but we quickly saw that the needs of customers needed us to adapt. And we adapted by providing 6 additional products and solutions for our customers. We delivered these because of the adaptability of the technology and the flexibility in only 6 weeks. So what we have in our shop window, as I call it, is both commercial mortgages and buy-to-let mortgages, which enable those customers that have taken short-term loans, whether bridging loans or development finance, not to have to sell the property, but they can keep those loans with us by way of an investment mortgage. And what this means is we're able to say yes more of the time to these customers by giving them wider range of solutions as they go through that property life cycle. So the future, we'll see more of this reaction, more of this agility, shaping our lending products.
So GB Bank certainly sees Persistent's partner value as we move forward. It's been testament to their capability, depth of skill set and their customer focus through the delivery of the projects to date, which have led us to look to expand upon the relationship to the extent where now we've engaged a managed support service contract with them to actually cover the core of our business. That partnership is only set to strengthen, particularly as we are now moving into the next phase of our business, which is to scale the bank further.
One of the things when you're really passionate about customer service and delivering the needs of customers and brokers is you want to be recognised for what you do. And we were delighted to find out that we've been nominated in the Bridging and Commercial Awards in September as Best Bridging Newcomer. So we're really pleased about that, and we've already put a testimonial video together and we're hoping we'll be successful in lifting the silverware on the night.